Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is March 26, 2015. What I'm going to show you today is more of a trade lesson, and it's just determining the trend of an equity. And I'm going to just use ExxonMobil because that's the leading energy stock in the world, and it's one of the biggest market cap stocks in the world. And you can see here, if you go back to August, or actually even July of 2014, you can see the stock did have a sharp breakdown from a high. That's a telltale sign that an equity will ultimately trade lower. And then you could also see, as the stock moved on into August of 2014, how the stock was trading below its daily chart 50 moving average and 20 period moving average, and it was hovering right on the daily chart 200 moving averages. This moving average is very often viewed by a lot of institutions that don't even look at charts per se, but they do look at the 200 moving average quite often, and they do look at the 50 moving average. And every time a stock is trading below the 50 MA, it's always very vulnerable because the institutions do not really like to hold stocks on the long side that are trading below the 50 moving average. So here you see the stock breaking down, and once it gets below all of the major moving averages, below the 50, the 200, and the 20 MA, and it starts to give you this symmetrical move with the 20 moving average just alongside of it, that's really telling you the downtrend is very sharp. Now here you get some really nice counter trend bounces, but so some people may think that the trend is now no longer down. But if you go to your weekly chart, and just remember October of 2014, if you go to your weekly chart, we're just going to move over to there, you can see that price is now below the 20 and 50 weekly moving averages, and that tells you that the bigger trend is still down. You can see how Exxon bounces up into this weekly chart 20 MA and reverts back lower. Bounces up into the weekly MA, reverts back lower. Bounces up into the weekly MA and reverts back down. So the trend is ultimately still down in ExxonMobil. Now when we see a stock like this and it's coming into a lot of prior chart support, this is where we start to actually look for a bottom in the equity. So I'd say somewhere around the 81 to 82 level, that's where the stock really puts in a decent near-term low. But any way you slice it or dice it, trend is still lower on ExxonMobil. Don't always use the daily charts. Remember, those weekly charts are there, and they're giving you the bigger picture. So sometimes you want to use those charts. It's very important to determine the trend of an equity. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. If you like, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. We're putting out more and more trades each and every day. We also have all of our cycle work up there, all of our nightly videos, our daily market videos. Everything is up there for you to see and view for your enjoyment and for your learning purposes. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to there. Have a great trading day, everybody. We'll see you on the charts.